like that? Bye-bye. The sun in his eyes? Why is he turning his head like that?
He's got a tear coming out of his eye.
I know.
It's a sad boy swinging.
What happened to the laughters?
Billy! It's a laughing time!
Is it scary? Is that too high?
He likes it when you go crazy.
Woo! Is that scary? Oh, his face got a little scaredy. Ooh. Mommy's right here. It's okay. Mommy's here. He looks scared. Oh, you wanna? He's sliding. He's sliding right off the seat. See, I don't like that it doesn't have a thingy between his legs. That's why he started to slide. How can you do light? Let's do little pushes. There's a little tear under your eye. Oh. Hi. Hi. We'll go light. We'll go gentle. Yeah, we'll go gentle. You're just chilling. You're just relaxing. 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 It's just relaxing.
Hey.
All right.
So much good laughter.
Was that fun?